आज हम लोग देखेंगे क्रिटिसिज्म ऑन शेक्सपियर। ठीक है, इससे पहले हम लोग देखे थे विलियम शेक्सपियर के बारे में। आज देखेंगे क्रिटिसिज्म ऑन शेक्सपियर। बेन जॉनसन ही टोल्ड अबाउट शेक्सपियर डाइट, he redeemed his voice with his virtues. There was even more in him to be praised than to be pardoned. ही वॉज नॉट ऑफ एन एज बट फॉर ऑल टाइम। बेन जॉनसन ने कहा है शेक्सपियर के लिए। जॉन मिल्टन ने क्या बोला है? ही रोट ये सोनेट टाइटल ऑन शेक्सपियर 1630। इट स्टार्ट विथ व्हाट नीड्स माई शेक्सपियर फॉर हीज हॉनर्ड बोन्स, द लेबर ऑफ एन एज इन फील्ड स्टोन्स और डाइट हीज हाउलवेट रिलाइज शुड बी हीड। In another line, dear son of memory, great there of fame. What needs, what need is thou such weak witness of thy name? This sonnet of Milton appeared in the second folio of plays by Shakespeare in 1632 as an epitaph on the admirable, admirable dramatic poet William Shakespeare. Samuel Pepys, 1662. In this diary on 29 September 1602, he wrote, to the King's Theatre, where we saw Midsummer Night Dreams, which I had never seen before, nor shall ever again, for it is the most inspired, ridiculous play that ever I saw in my life. Lord Grenville displayed the diary of Pepys in 1825. John Dryden said about Shakespeare in his essay of dramatic poesy as, to begin then with Shakespeare, he was the man who of all modern and perhaps ancient poets had the largest and most comprehensive soul. Thomas Rhymer, he attacked on Othello. The moral sure of this fable Othello is very instructive. Joseph Addison, among the English, Shakespeare has incomparably excelled all other. Alexander Pope, he wrote about Shakespeare in his preface Pope edition of Shakespeare. His characters are so much nature herself that it is a sort of injury to call them by so distant a name as copies of her. Samuel Johnson, 1765, he wrote about Shakespeare in the play of William Shakespeare. He wrote in it, Shakespeare adherence to general nature has exposed him to the ensure of critics who, from their judgments upon narrower principle, in the same work the work of correct and regular writer is a garden accurately formed and diligently planted, varied with shades and scented with flowers. The composition of Shakespeare is a forest. Johnson also said about him as, Shakespeare opens a mine which contains gold and diamonds in executable plenty, with through clouded by instructions decided by impurity and mingled with a mass of manners minerals. And Shakespeare writes without moral purpose and is more careful to please than to instruct. John Wolfgang Goethe. There is no pledge greater and pure than with eyes closed company. Yes, Shakespeare's play not declined but recedes by a safe and natural voice. He wrote about Shakespeare in his Wilhelm Meister's apprenticeship. He wrote about Hamlet. Prince Hamlet is suddenly facing the needed for the great action imposed upon your soul that is unable to do it. Perhaps no one has made so great as the first major link of wish and duty in the individual character Shakespeare did. 10th है Meadow de Ashes. One day, when there is no more Great Britannia, when there is no more United States, when there is no more the English language will exist Shakespeare, we will speak Shakespeare. Charles Lamb, in his work on the tragedy of Shakespeare, he wrote, we talk of Shakespeare, admirable observation of life, when we should feel that not from a pity incursions into those cheap and everyday characters. Thomas de Quincey. Thomas de Quincey, in his work on the knocking at the gate in Macbeth, de Quincey wrote, O mighty poet, they work are not as those of other men simply and merely great works of art, but are also like the phenomena of nature. Thomas Carlyle. Thomas Carlyle on heroes, hero worship and heroic in history. Carlyle wrote, nay, apart from spirituality and considering him merely as a real, remarkable, tangibly useful position. This King Shakespeare does not he shine in curved sovereignty over us all us the noblest, gentlest, yet strongest of relying things, indirectly, really more valuable in that point of view than any other means of appliance whatsoever. Yes, this Shakespeare is yours. We produced him. We speak and think by him. We are of one blood and blood and kind with him. Victor Hope. It is a long silence before the son's answer. I will translate Shakespeare, Shakespeare, the ocean. Lee Tolstoy. Lee Tolstoy, Tolstoy on Shakespeare. I remember the acknowledgement, acknowledgement I felt when I first read Shakespeare. I expected to receive a powerful aesthetic pleasure, but having read one after the other works regarded as his best King Lear, at his best King Lear, Romeo and Juliet, Hamlet and Macbeth, not only did I feel no delight, but I felt an irresistible repulsions and radium. D.H. Lawrence. D.H. Lawrence, he wrote about Shakespeare in his When I Read Shakespeare, in the complete poem D.H. Lawrence. When I read Shakespeare, I am struck with wonder that such terrible people should muss and thousand in such lovely language. Sigmund Freud. Sigmund Freud, Moses and Monotheism में. Incidentally, in this mention, I stopped to believe that the author Shakespeare's works were The Men of Stratford, William Herbert Aden, W.H. Aden, lectures on Shakespeare में. I find Shakespeare particularly appealing in his attitude towards his work. Shakespeare never takes himself too seriously. T.S. Eliot, Dante and Shakespeare divided the modern world between them. There is no third. In this Hamlet and his problems in the sacred wood, essay on poetry and criticism, he wrote, "We must simply admit that here Shakespeare tackled a problems which proved too much for him. We should have to understand things which Shakespeare did not understand himself." Kenneth Brooke from Kenneth Brooke Shakespeare. Shakespeare found many Ignatius way to make it seem that his greatest play unfolded of themselves like a destiny rather than by a technical expert's scheming. Harold Bloom. Harold Bloom from the Western canon. Shakespeare is the canon. He sets the standard and the limits of literature. ठीक है, ये हम लोग क्रिटिसिज्म देख लिए शेक्सपियर के बारे में कौन क्या बोला है। ठीक है, उसके बाद हम लोग इसका एक एक करके वर्क देखेंगे। इससे पहले हम लोग इसका बायोपिक देखे थे विलियम शेक्सपियर का। अब इसका वर्क देखेंगे, हेनरी फोर पार्ट 1 पार्ट 2, हेमलेट, किंग लियर, मैकबेथ, ओथेलो, सब हम लोग देखेंगे। ओके, थैंक यू फॉर वाचिंग।